Alright, so this is going to be a short video. So this is my Halo Reach rocket launcher. I've had this thing for years now. This thing does shoot mortars, but since I'm way too late to actually set this thing up properly, shoot simple mortars, I just have these little simple things right here. It still does exactly the same thing. It's just a rocket propelled mortar and just a standard tube mortar. Normally I also have both ends backed up. That way so one tube can be mortars and the other one can be rockets. But I had a big backfire last year on this thing. You can still see the blowout right here. So I kind of want to use this tube this year. So I'm using this one right here. And when I actually go to shoot this thing off, I mean it's going to be pretty freaking boring, but it's a working Halo Reach rocket launcher for what it is. And I'll just come back when I go to fire off a few fireworks out of this thing.
What to do?
It's already recording.
Okay, which way are you going to shoot it, son?
I'm just going to shoot that way.
Okay, well I got to get away from the light.
Yeah. Just slide and drop it into this one right here. Yes. This one. Alright, just hold it and stick it in there and I'll just pull it up. Push forward.
According to Ronnie Howard here, I failed.
You miss it?
No, I got it. He wanted a different way, so
I wanted the rocket launcher in shot too.
Is this good over here, Ray? Am I in a good spot?
Yeah, just make sure you keep this in shot.
Well, a little harder to do because we're in the light.
Yeah. Oh, this stinks. It kind of blew up in the tube. Thank God I ran away before it hit me.
Did it blow the side up though? Yeah, it sure did.
Yeah, it blew up the whole freaking tube.
Yeah, that PVC will only take so much.
You got a little burning over here, Ray. Stomp it out. No, to the left. You got it behind it, right?
Oh, that's it.
I think that was a little bit fused, but
Just about stepped on it.
Yeah, that was very fortunate it blew up like it did. Well, we learned a valuable lesson there, Ray. We don't do that no more.
I would say instead of PVC, I would use metal.
Yeah, metal wouldn't have blown up.
Yeah.
it'll also been twice as heavy if I used metal.
Well,
You're a young guy, you can handle it.
I could barely handle my dubstep gun, let alone this thing be made out of metal.
that's seen better days.
Mom, move your truck and we'll go right there. Move your truck and we'll go right there.
I'm guessing that's the end of my rocket launcher.
That way, but that
Okay, so here's my rocket launcher.
Cylinder.
So as you can tell, a firework blew up inside the rocket launcher. So I thought this was all the parts right in here. I learned that all this stuff right here is also from my rocket launcher. Jeez, just one of those little itty-bitty mortar shells did this in my poor rocket launcher. I don't think I'll be rebuilding this. After this thing going off on me like that, I'm not going to rebuild this. I liked having the ability to use this thing for like 5 years, but I'm not going to take that chance again. This right here is pretty much what killed my rocket launcher. One of the little rocket-powered mortars. Yeah, I'm not doing that again. Alright, here you can get a better idea of what just happened. Yeah, Bandit, the thing blew up. So yeah, that one stinking little rocket mortar just basically killed my rocket launcher. I'm not going to rebuild this. And that's because look at the pieces that broke off when the thing exploded. I'm very, very lucky that I dropped this thing and ran when I noticed that the rocket didn't leave. Because I had maybe 1 to 2 seconds to get out of there before this thing just blew up. And I'm very happy when I placed this thing, most of it was actually on the ground here. So all the force more or less went directly into the ground. But these parts here still blew quite a distance away, and I was luckily, and I was smart enough to run the other way. So what did I learn? Don't do this again. Simple as that. It was fun while the thing was awesome while I had it for a good couple years. I used it every single year on the 4th. But I've actually never had an actual mortar blow up in the tube before. I had one blow up at the very front of the rocket before, but never one deep inside the rocket like what happened tonight. So, and I'm rebuilding this again. I'm not taking my chances. This thing's just going to go into the recycler. And it's going to get recycled and converted back into something new. Who knows? Some piece of technology some guy gets down the road will probably be from this thing right here somewhere. Who knows? I'm not touching that. I'm not doing this again. What do you think, Bandit?